friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking tricolor peppers in the air fryer. These are tricolor bell peppers. They have red, orange, and yellow. And air fryer makes them perfectly roasted, so delicious, and it's so easy to make. I'm going to add some olive oil, and for seasonings I'll keep it simple and use salt and pepper. Oil is optional, it just adds extra flavor, but if you want to keep it fat-free, just leave the oil out. And for the seasonings, you can use any seasonings you like, so feel free to be creative. I washed those peppers before making the video, so now I just need to slice them. And I cut the pepper in half, and then I cut out the seeds and that stem, so just remove it. You can also use a spoon to scoop out the seeds. And now slice it into strips. And then I slice it, I can just put it directly in the air fryer basket. And repeat with the remaining peppers. So now I'm just going to add the rest of the peppers to the air fryer basket. Perfect. And now I'm going to drizzle with some olive oil and sprinkle the seasonings. So here's salt and black pepper. And then toss it so it's coated with oil and seasonings. Perfect. So they're beautiful, colorful peppers all ready to be air fried. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Halfway through this cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the peppers so they cook more evenly. And then put the basket back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these tricolor peppers. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so good. I do recommend trying one piece and just see if they're tender enough for your liking. I like my peppers slightly firm, and that's how they are. If you want them to be more tender, you can just cook them for an additional 5 minutes to make them softer. But as they cool down, they do get softer on their own. So I do find that 15 minutes at 400 degrees is the perfect time for these peppers. So I'm taking them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. I'm so excited about trying them. I love roasted peppers. Let's try it. They're so delicious. They're tender yet still crisp with a deeply roasted flavor and naturally sweet. Cooking them in the air fryer brings out their natural sweetness. It tastes so delicious. You will love it. And best of all, they're so healthy and there's so many ways to eat them. You can serve them as an appetizer, as a healthy side dish. You can mix it into stir fries and pastas. You can mix them with fajitas. So many ways to enjoy them, all delicious, and best of all, they're so healthy and good for you. And air fryer makes it so easy to cook them. for a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!